traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full time down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I'm definitely still sticking to this ABC scenario. I still think this is a wave A. I still think it looks like three waves down for an ABC and B, and I think this is a 1-2, and I still think we're going to go up for a five-wave pattern to the upside for an expanding flat wave C. Most likely that will take it above these previous highs. I think in some place around the 178, 168 Fibonacci extension. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this over here is a 1, 5 waves up. I think this is a big running flat wave 2. I think this right here is a 1 of 3. I think this is a WXY 2 of wave 3. I believe we are already in that wave 3, and I think on these very high time frames, it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows in this wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely got a nice and positive move up starting, and on the shorter time frames, we finally did get a break of structure to the upside. Pretty much proves to me that this whole trend down is over. Now, there is definitely a possibility that this next move up could be a crutch into this move down right here, and this could be like an A or a 1, and this could be like a B or a 2. Definitely possible. Now, sometimes what we think is a wave B will actually just be the continuation of the uptrend. And looking at the weekly, monthly time frame, I'm definitely leaning towards the idea that it may just continue up from here, especially with how deep this move was compared to this move up. So anyways, let's take it down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame is where you can see that we did finally have a break of structure. First break of structure we've had since this whole move started, which is really good because that should tell us that it's a reliable break of structure. Now, I would for sure be looking for longs now, but while I was looking for longs, I would pay close attention just in case it did make three ways up to a Fibonacci level and pulse it down break of structure. If it did do that, then I would stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. But while we're looking for longs, if it just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, and just continues the uptrend, that's going to be great news for us. So going down to the 1-hour time frame, like I said, ever since we got that break of structure last week, I would have been looking for longs and an uptrend. There's actually been about 3 opportunities to go long. There was a little bit of a long right there. There was definitely a little bit of a long right here, retesting structure, and then there was a perfect 1, 2, 3 ABC pattern to the downside. It actually happened in the Asian session last night, but that was like a perfect entry to go long last night, also for the pound dollar. And what am I doing right now? Well, if you're not long, then the strategy is to be patiently waiting for another pullback to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long now, and I personally definitely wouldn't be trying to go short. So for me, I would be patiently waiting for pullbacks to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.